You can see that the satellite RS-44 has a footprint here, and it has come up the horizon in the polar map. And I'll check the mode. The mode has been set at CW. I'll change it to USB. This is the sender frequency being tracked. You can see the frequency tracked here, and this is the nominal frequency which it is tracking, and this is the current Doppler corrected value. Now RS-44 is at an elevation of 11 degrees. I am not seeing much on the waterfall here. The mode is set for VU transponder. Though I don't think anybody will be there in this region at this time of the day. I am just trying it out. Yesterday I tried the beacon, I did not hear anything. Today I am using my Moxon Yagi. It has not been set at 14 degrees. It is not 14, 8 degrees azimuth. It is somewhere around 85. I think I am seeing something here. This could be, no, this is not the beacon. Some signal is seen here on the waterfall. You can see some signal is here, but that is not within the range of the satellite. Something else. Let me try. No, I won't click there. If I click there, the cat control may not be working well. You can see that it is on the 70 centimeter ham band. That is what I am trying to listen. The radio has a pass band of about 60 kilohertz. So I am not familiar with how to listen to linear satellites. So far I have operated only FM satellites. That is with my IC2730A radio. Let me see whether there is anything in this region. 435. 63. I will remove this Doppler correction window because I don't need it. It's already there in the correction. I'll minimize it. So this is probably the frequency which is being monitored. I'll just switch over to the VU mode and see, because first at least I want to know that I am able to listen at least to the beacon. I'll see that. I'll switch to mode beacon. I'll have to track and then engage. No, it has not started tracking. I'll try once again. Yes, now it is tracking. I can see that the frequency is being tracked. The elevation is about 30 degrees and azimuth is 18. This is a near overhead pass. Loss of signal is in another 14 minutes. This has a wider footprint and hence a longer period of activity. I'll now minimize this. In case I see anything on the waterfall in the upper band, I'll come back there. Now you can see that the pointer has moved a little bit to this side. That should be at 4. Still I am not seeing anything on the waterfall. Only when I point it as pointer is seen. Satellite is now seen here. You can see that the azimuth is 22 degrees. Still not in the range of my antenna. I am not going to rotate the antenna now because I am going to try only the central part of the pass. Being a satellite at much higher altitude, you can see that the altitude is shown as 1453. It is very much higher than the 420 kilometer altitude of International Space Station. My antenna is pointed somewhere in this direction now. So, in this direction maybe. So within a short period, the satellite will be in the range of the antenna. Even now, if the signal is strong, antenna should acquire because it has a beam width of about 50 degrees, not 50, even 90 degrees. But the problem is that it is not a very sensitive antenna. It's a Moxon Yagi with 5 passively coupled UHF, ultra high frequency elements, and a single Moxon element for very high frequency VHF. But now the most important is UHF, ultra high frequency, because I am receiving on 435 608. You can see that the satellite is very much in my region. Elevation is 50 degrees. So it is nearing the time of closest approach. I don't think I have acquired the satellite signals yet. Mode I'll have to change to CW. I had forgotten that earlier I had put USB. Now I'll try. The sound has changed because earlier it was USB. Elevation is 57 degrees, azimuth 58. I'll just go out and check whether the antenna has moved by the wind. Antenna has not moved much in the wind. It is around about 85-90 degrees azimuth. So satellite will soon. Now I think the satellite is almost in the direction of my antenna, but I have not acquired any significant signals. This is the pointer marker. Maybe I should use preamplifier or an antenna with higher gain. Now the elevation is 60 degrees. So almost in the direction of my antenna. I am not hearing anything. I'll wait some more time till it reaches the maximum elevation. That's about 75 or so. I think now it has moved slightly beyond my antenna. So I'll go out and rotate the antenna a little bit towards the direction. have now rotated the antenna about 20 degrees from the previous position. Let me see. I'm now inside. Let me see whether there is any change in the signals. Now my antenna is almost in the same direction. You can see azimuth 119, 120 degrees. Elevation of the satellite is 54 degrees. Then it should have passed the time of closest approach. Let me check on another site. 84 was the azimuth of maximum elevation. Now it is 130. That means it is now setting. Satellite is going down. You can also understand it from the Doppler. You can see that the Doppler is minus 935 Hertz per 100 megahertz. From that you can understand that it has gone down. 605 is the frequency which we had said. It is 600. So that is this value multiplied by the 4.35, which will be the Doppler shift, negative Doppler shift now, as the satellite is going down. So far I have not heard anything. I think I'll stop now, and I'll have to improve my setup with this setup, RTL-SDR Moxon Yagi. Now another thing is increasing the RF gain. Let me see. I forgot increasing the RF gain. Now the RF gain is maximum. I should have tried that near time of closest approach. Yeah, I am seeing some signals here. See, when the RF gain was increased, some signals are seen here. I think there is something contacts also going on. Let me see. Oh, that was a problem. Let me see whether I can hear anything on the voice transponder. I switched to voice transponder. There are signals there. See? Some signals are seen. Anyway, I am acquiring signals. Now I have to move to USB. Then tuning this is a rather tricky business. Yes, I am acquiring signals. Some contact is going on there. You know that this is an inverting transponder. Takes some experience to tune to a linear satellite, unlike the others.